Hi friends, my name is Daniel and today I'm going to be showing you a video on how to make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on your laptop. Alright, so basically first thing that you need to know is that there are three switches for the Wi-Fi. One is your hardware switch, the second is your, it's kind of like a hardware switch but inside a connection manager. For me it's HP connection manager, somewhere else it might be Cisco. It could be anything. And the third is the capability client or the mobility center. Alright, so firstly I'll show you how to detect which of these are on or off. So what you do is click on start and type in Intel and open Intel Proset wireless tools. Click on diagnose. Yes. Asks for admin credentials, and then once it opens up, it might take a while to open up as this recording is running, but yeah. Okay, so now that it's opened up, we'll click on run tests, and what's it going to show is that it'll say hardware radio is off. So what I will do next is I will turn on the hardware radio by the external button on my laptop. So I'll turn it on. Okay, so this option here should change to off. Alright. Now I run the test again, but again it will say hardware radio is off. So this is the software control of the other part of the hardware radio. Alright, so after running the test, again it says hardware radio is off. So we'll switch it on using the button in the connection manager. Alright, but you will see again it is still not connected. And we run the test again, but this time it says software radio is off. And here it says disabled by mobility center. Now you know very easily, if you go into mobility center, so you click on start and with run and type in MBLCTR. Click on OK. This will open up the mobility center and you will see a button over here that says turn wireless on. This is the software control in the mobility center. So you turn it on and then it starts picking up the internet networks, the wireless networks. So you can either click here to pull up the wireless networks, or like how you normally do, you can click it here to pull up the wireless networks. Alright, and yeah, that's about it. So if you run this test now, it'll say connected and go through all the tests, radio is on, etc, etc. So I just want to show you one particular scenario that most of customers or users go through, is when all of this is on and the hardware switch goes off. And you see what happens there? This button is grayed out, turn wireless on. So whenever you go and you turn the mobility center on, if you find this button grayed out, that means one of the hardware switches is off. It's either your the external switch on your laptop, or it could be this switch right here. Either one of these, if it is off, this button will be grayed out. So if you find the button grayed out, that means one of those two is off. The rest is fairly straightforward. Alright, thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.